Alright guys, so little quick update on the Peterbilt. So we had a bunch of people reach out to try to help us do the diagnostic on it, and I listened and responded to all the comments, and everybody really helped point it in the right direction. The consensus, it looked like, was that there was a fuel problem. So the guy that I dropped it off, I had a buddy that owns a towing company. He pulled it over to his shop and had his mechanic take a look at it, and he was able to figure out that since I had told him that it had bad fuel in it when I bought the truck, he looked at the fuel and saw that it was really nasty and maybe could have possibly had some sugar in it, or something that it looked sabotaged. So we put a new set of reman injectors in there, 6 of them, and I mean, it fired up, it's running perfect. And we're in the process of cleaning all the tanks out and the lines and replacing what needs to be replaced line wise. So I just wanted to give a quick update for everybody who helped out. Thanks to Trucker Style Sean. He got me in touch with a bunch of people because he shared it onto his page. I really appreciate that. And then Tim Gentry, he called me and talked with me, and he told me basically what some of you guys had said on there, that it sounded like electrically it had everything it needed to start, to look at the fuel system and make sure that that was working correctly. And it looked like some of that fuel got in there and it was sticky, and it could have locked up those injectors. So now, I mean, the truck's running like it's brand new, so it's awesome. I'm excited about it. We're gonna be having a full video come out in the next probably week, because we're still working on getting it cleaned out and everything. So we're gonna have a video showing the truck and giving a full update on everything. But I appreciate everybody, and if you're new to the channel and you saw this and you're interested in what we're doing, we're running power only right now for Amazon, and then we're gonna get into some more freight as we can. But right now this was the easiest step in for us. So I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out some of our other videos. If you want to see some videos of some pickup trucks hauling some stuff they probably shouldn't have, then check them out. But thank you guys. Here's one of the bad injectors. So I got the rest of them are all packaged up, but basically just real nasty.